Demand planning plays a critical role in aligning customer demand with operational capabilities. It ensures the right products are available at the right time by integrating sales forecasts, market insights, and historical data. Effective demand planning reduces stockouts, excess inventory, and last-minute expediting costs. It also improves production scheduling, procurement efficiency, and service levels. Overall, it acts as a bridge between sales, operations, and supply chain to create a unified, accurate demand picture. Demand planning aligns customer demand with production and supply capabilities. It brings together forecasts, market insights, and historical data to improve accuracy. By ensuring the right products are available at the right time, it strengthens operational reliability. Overall, it helps reduce stockouts, avoid excess inventory, and enhance service levels. For example, a pharmaceutical company must accurately forecast medicine demand to ensure essential drugs are always available for patients. At the same time, it must prevent overproduction that can lead to expired stock. Effective demand planning helps balance availability with safety and cost. This ensures both patient care and operational efficiency are maintained. Demand management includes forecasting future demand using data, shaping demand through pricing and promotions, and sensing real-time market signals to adjust plans quickly. It also ensures that supply matches actual consumption through effective fulfillment. These components work together to create a responsive and customer-centric supply chain. For example, Coca-Cola uses weather data, retail analytics, and promotion plans to predict beverage demand, achieving 10% higher forecast accuracy during peak seasons. Forecasting is the process of predicting future demand by combining historical data with expert judgment. It helps organizations plan production, procurement, and inventory more accurately. The choice of forecasting method depends on data quality, product maturity, and market volatility. Effective forecasting reduces uncertainty and supports smoother operations. Qualitative forecasting relies on expert judgment and market insights when historical data is limited. Methods like the Delphi technique, market research, executive judgment, and Salesforce composite help estimate demand in uncertain or new product situations. These tools are especially useful when decisions depend on intuition, experience, and consumer feedback. For example, a startup launching a new smart wearable may use the Delphi method to forecast first-year demand. Quantitative forecasting uses numerical data and statistical models to predict future demand with higher accuracy. Time series tools like moving average, weighted moving average, exponential smoothing, and trend projection help identify patterns, trends, and fluctuations over time. These methods are most effective when reliable historical data is available. They provide a structured, data-driven approach to planning. Dell uses advanced statistical models to forecast SKU-level demand across more than 60 global markets every day. Their system integrates factors like promotions, seasonality, and macroeconomic trends to refine predictions. This data-driven approach improved overall forecast accuracy by nearly 20%, enabling better inventory planning and faster customer fulfillment. Demand is dynamic and follows different patterns influenced by time and external factors. Trends show long-term increases or decreases, like rising EV demand. Seasonal patterns repeat periodically, such as higher AC sales in summer. Cyclical patterns span multiple years, often tied to the economy. Random variations are unpredictable, caused by events like strikes or extreme weather. Seasonality shows how demand varies at different times of the year. It can be measured using a seasonal index SI, which compares actual demand to average demand. Formula: SI equals actual demand divided by average demand times 100. For example, if average monthly demand is 1,000 units and December sales are 1,200 units, SI equals 120%, meaning demand is 20% above average. To account for seasonality, first calculate the trend forecast, then adjust it using the seasonal index. Combining trend and seasonal adjustments gives the total forecast. For example, an ice cream producer used temperature-based seasonality adjustments to align production with peak demand, reducing stockouts by 35% during summer months. Forecasts are never perfect, so measuring accuracy is crucial. It helps detect bias and prevents consistent over- or underestimation. Accurate forecasts improve production and inventory planning. Continuous measurement supports ongoing improvement and better business decisions. Forecast accuracy can be measured using metrics like MAD, MAP, and bias. MAD shows the average absolute difference between actual and forecasted demand. MAP expresses forecast error as a percentage, making it easy to compare across products. Bias tracking signal highlights consistent over- or under forecasting, helping refine future forecasts. Continuous forecast improvement involves tracking KPIs regularly, analyzing the root causes of large errors, and adjusting model parameters like smoothing constants. Integrating real-time data from POS systems or IoT devices enhances responsiveness. Walmart applies AI-based demand sensing and daily accuracy tracking, cutting forecast errors from 25% to 10%, ensuring better inventory and supply alignment. Forecasting is just the first step. S&OP or IBP ensures alignment between sales, operations, and finance. It balances demand and supply, integrates financial and operational plans, and creates a single source of truth for the organization. This collaborative approach improves decision-making and reduces gaps between forecast and execution. The S&OP process starts with data gathering from sales, inventory, and production. Next, demand review adjusts forecasts with input from sales and marketing, while supply review evaluates production capacity. A pre-S&OP meeting reconciles gaps and explores scenarios. Finally, the executive S&OP meeting approves plans and aligns the organization. Collaborative forecasting improves demand visibility and reduces conflicts between departments. It enhances customer service, lowers inventory levels, and allows faster response to market changes. For example, Johnson & Johnson's global S&OP improved forecast accuracy by 18% and cut finished goods inventory by $200 million.